Now we're gonna go on our favorite spot with our favorite guy, Russell. What's up, bud?
It's good.
What are we talking about?
Today we're talking about our laser engraving services. So we've mentioned it a little bit in the past, just want to do a solitary breakout. So we now have an engraved font option list for different engravings. Like we said, we've been able to figure out how to pull objects off of the internet and get them laser engraved to where they're looking good. We're pleased with it. We have our personal stamps that we can use on the laser engraving for different projects and stuff. Especially when we go super shiny, this will be super handy. So for knife engraving and such, we are fully open for business for that currently, and looking forward to seeing what projects we get coming up.
Right on. As an added thing, be patient with us. We will get some sort of pricing out there on the interweb and or social media. We also have a small pricing list here, so you guys can more than welcome give us an email and or a call, and we should be able to help you out through that. But some exciting new stuff, like we said, coming in and trying to get things done more in-house here. So very exciting. We'll wrap it up here. See you tomorrow. Wrap up the week, y'all.